welcome back to Ramareddy Maths Academy. What is our last class? In the mean value theorems, we already learned the Rolle's mean value theorem and verification. Okay, now we are going to discuss the Lagrange's mean value theorem, LMVT, shortcut la Lagrange's mean value theorem. First of all, what is the Lagrange's mean value theorem and how to define the geometrical interpretation of the Lagrange's mean value theorem? First of all, what is the Lagrange's mean value theorem statement? States that let f of x be a function on defined closed interval a comma b such that f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b and f of x is differentiable on closed interval a comma b. Then there exists one point, that is c. It belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c, which is nothing but f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Okay, b minus a. Then there exists c belongs to a comma b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This is the statement. Means what is the Rolle's theorem states that it is continuous and it is derivable and f of a equal to f of b. Then there exists c belongs to a comma b, f dash of c equal to 0. Here only we are having two conditions. In Rolle's we have three. Here two conditions and it must be one point. It must exist in between these two. Then f dash c is this. Now I'll show by the graphical geometrical interpretation. For example, I need to consider this is here. This is what? This is x-axis and this is y-axis. For example, I want to consider this is A and this is B, and here this point represents A comma f of A and this point represents B comma f of B. And suppose the function fx like this, from here to here it varies like this. It is the function, this is what? F of x function. It varies from A to B. It is a smooth curve, there is no gaps and it is a continuous function. Then what is our slope of the curve? What is the tangent of this? Now this is the tangent, means it touches the tangent, that point is C, means f dash of C. This is what? F dash of C. This is C. For example, I need to draw a line segment from this point to this point. Then what you observe in the Rolle's theorem, you know that point, if you take a tangent that is parallel to x-axis, for that f dash c will become to 0, parallel to x-axis. But here this tangent is parallel to what? Parallel to line segment of these two. From your intermediate, you know that here, what are the points here? A comma f of a, x1, y1 for example, and b comma f of b. This is indicates x2 comma y2. You know that from our intermediate, if two points of line segment, it is nothing but, what is the principle? The line segment, line joining of these 2 points, it indicates y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Here, what is our y2 ma? F of b. What is our y1 here? F of a divided by, what's that? x2 minus x1 means b minus a. Means indirectly, the line segment of these two, line joining of these two, that is also, that result is also equal to our tangent slope f dash of c. Why? Because these two are the parallel lines. Then automatically f dash c, this is one line segment, right? ఇది f dash c. అప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి? నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది? f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Hence the theorem, it's proved. ఏంటి వచ్చిందా? Are you clear? All of you? this is the geometrical interpretation. Ela cheptunnanu, first of all, the given function y is equal to f of x. The given function is a continuous and differentiable. Differentiable means it f dash of x is exist, means f dash of c is exist, means it is having one or more tangents. For example, in this case, two or more tangents is also exist. For example, I need to consider the graph like this from here to here. If you consider A and B, right, the graph varies like this here to here, but this is one tangent and this is another tangent, this is parallel to this, then automatically, and if you take another, this is also parallel to this, right, means you will get one or more c values also. Sometimes it's exist. Is it clear? This is a geometrical interpretation. Ela prove chesanu, f dash c anedi exist aithe, this is the tangent, slope, and these two are the from eventi ee rendu points nundi line segment తీసుకున్నాను. Line joining of 2 points from our principle y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Put the values here, then you will get our result. Okay, now we'll solve the problems. Hi. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, వెరిఫై Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x equal to x, x minus 1, x minus 2, right? First, whatever the given function, you need to write the function first. That is, what is the function here? F of x is equal to x of x minus 1 and x minus 2 in what? 0 comma half. Is it 0 comma half? Yes. See here, first check it. Verify the Lagrange's theorem. What is the Lagrange's theorem? The given function defined in closed interval a comma b. What is our first condition? F of x is continuous on this closed interval and f of x is differentiable on the open interval. After that, then there exists a point c belongs to a comma b. Therefore, f dash c equal to our condition f of b minus f of a by b minus a. And first of all, what we have to do, you need to check whether it is continuous or not. First, I want to write it as in terms of polynomial. Product of this is x square minus x of x minus 2. Now simplify this will become to x cube minus 2x square minus x square and plus 2x. This is what? X cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now it is a polynomial function. Now it is a polynomial function. No need to worry for continuous. Every polynomial is a continuous function. Since f of x is a polynomial, so f of x is continuous on closed interval. What is a closed interval? 0 comma half. A comma b. A ante 0, b ante half. Done. First one over. Then next, what we have to do, if it is differentiable. When it is differentiable, if f dash x is exist, then you can say that is differentiable. And f dash x anedi exist ante idi first condition andi. It's done. Second condition entidi, f dash x is exist. First you need to check the differentiation of this x power n into x power n minus 1 is 2. 3 into x power 3 minus 1. Okay, next 2x, then into 3. What is the result? 6x plus 2. Done. F dash x is also exist, right? If it is not exist, then it is not differentiable. Therefore, f dash x exist, then fx is differentiable on open ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వల్ 0, half. అంతే అండి మన రెండు కండిషన్స్ డన్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఎనీ c that is belongs to a comma b, f dash of c equal to what, f of b minus f of a. Now I need to evaluate f of a and f of b values. What are a? This is a and this is b. Now evaluate f of a, that is nothing but f of 0. Put that value in the given function. 0 into something, 0. Now f of 0 is, I got it is 0. Then next evaluate f of b, means put the given b value half in the given polynomial. That will change it to x cube, 1 by 2 whole cube, 3 into, in the place of x you need to substitute half, okay, plus 2x. After simplification, see this is 1 by 8, or you can write one more step. This is what, 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4. This is what, half, right? Half of cancel. This is 1. After simplification, now I got, this is 3 by 8, which is not 3 by 8 and the denominator. Okay, after simplification I got 3 by 4, the final one. This is f of b. See guys, what is our f of b? Evaluate a, b. Put a value and b value in the function. We got two values, f of a and f of b. Then what we have to do next? Therefore, we know that f dash c, which is nothing but f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Kadandi? F of c ante, first you need to substitute this value here. F of b, what is our f of b? 3 by 4 minus f of a, that is 0. B is what? Half. What is our a? 0, which is nothing but that is equal to f dash of c. This is f dash of x. Then f dash c is nothing but what? In the place of x you need to write c. 3c square minus 6c plus 2. Come on, substitute, equate. This is 3c square minus 6c plus 2. Done? Okay. Now simplify this. We'll get 3c square minus 6c plus 2 is equal to 3 by, I think this is 3 by 8 no, 3 by 4. One second, we'll check it here once. Oh, in the numerator 8, this is 1 minus 3 plus 7. This is 3 by 8, sorry. Now this is 3 by 8, okay. Now 3 by 8. After simplification, this is 0, right? Numerator 3 by 8. This fraction will become to reversing order, 2 by 1, 2 1s are 2 4s are. This is 3 by 4. Okay, then put cross multiplication, 4 into this polynomial. 4 ni ila cross multiply cheyandi, 4 3s are. This will become to 12c square minus 24c plus 8 is equal to 3, okay, is equal to 3. See, this is our equation, right? Then next what we have to do, we need to find c value. For that, simplify this equation. That will 12c square minus 24c plus 8 minus 3, that is 5. Here normal factors is not possible, then use our standard methods, minus b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a principle. Okay, you know that this is a and this is b and this is c. Put all the values. I already simplified this. I got two values. One c value is 1.764. Then another c value is, that is 0.236. ఇది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయండి, ఇందులో పెట్టేసి. నేను ఆల్రెడీ సాల్వ్ చేశాను సి వాల్యూస్. సి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, ఐ గోట్ సి. ఫైనల్గా నేను ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంటిన్యూస్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్. ఇఫ్ యూ పుట్ all the values in this formula, you will get C. That C is belongs to our క్లోజ్డ్ ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఏ కామా బిలో ఉండాలి. నాకేమొచ్చింది సి వాల్యూ 1.764 అండ్ 0.236. సి 0 to 1 హాఫ్, 0 to హాఫ్ అంటే 0 to 0.5 కదండి. ఎస్ 0 to 0.5 కదా. మరి 1.7 అనేది దీని మధ్యలో ఉంటుందా? నో, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు our interval. Only this value belongs to our interval. Okay, that is 0.236 belongs to 0 comma half. వచ్చిందా అండి మన థీరం? ఏమంటున్నాను? f dash ఈక్వల్ టు f ఆఫ్ b మైనస్ f ఆఫ్ a బై b మైనస్ a అయితే c అనే వాల్యూ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 c, దట్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు అవర్ open interval 0 comma half. అంటే ఏంటి? రోల్స్ థీరం వెరిఫైడ్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, రైట్ ద పాలినామియల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ చేశాను, పాలినామియల్లో రాశాను. వి నో దట్ ద పాలినామియల్ ఈజ్ అ కంటిన్యూస్ ఫంక్షన్. ఇఫ్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో డిఫరెన్షియబుల్. అప్పుడు ఏంటి? ఇవాల్యుయేట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి, పుట్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఫార్ములా, విల్ గెట్ ద రిజల్ట్. యు నో దట్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ సి ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. దెన్ simplify, we'll get one quadratic equation, put all the values in our minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, you'll get the values. Those values are 1.764 and 0.236, but in these two values only one is in between these two. Therefore hence Lagrange's LMVT is verified. See, listen carefully. ఈ వీడియోస్ చివరి వరకు చూడండి, ఎందుకంటే వీడియోలో 2 parts ఉంటాయి, 2 methods. ఒకటేమో వెరిఫై అడుగుతారు, ఇంకొకటి అప్లికేబుల్ అడుగుతారండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద వెరిఫికేషన్ అండ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో వీటి మీద ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దాము. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.